Menteri Bakmi ia Katnat Community and Rural Development at the Mondal ha Kasninukong, La Pentip ba la Phah Tuklar ha ka Ministry Halor ki Jingeh ki Bami na ka Jingpentri ya ka Mahatma kan hi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme MGNREGS. Haba ya kren bat kinong thok bor Mondal loong ba la depa ya kawai ka city bak deu ya bara ki Jingeh ki Bami bat kermen ba hadin ka election in sapenbet no ya bara kine ki Jingeh.
We are writing to the concerned ministry. Also, I have already shot up one letter highlighting all those problems and all these things. Hopefully, after the election is over, all these issues will be resolved.
How much is pending?
And exact figure is not with me. And I was out of the station for about a long time. I was in constituency also, did not go anywhere. Fully and wholly was in
How
constituency.
many years pending?
That's what I am telling, that latest position is not there.
You mentioned those in your letter.
Yeah, but one big problem we are facing is that other-based payment system. This is creating a lot of problem for us because many of the job card holders have not linked their job card with other. So now Government of India has made it mandatory to have all job cards to be linked with other. So this is a lot of problems. We requested our Honorable Chief Minister to write to concerned minister. He has already written, and very recently I have again written to him. This is one challenging factor we got to see till all the job cards are being linked to other card.
But we talked to various village employment councils in villages. They complain that the major problem that they are facing, apart from Aadhaar seeding, is the non-release of funds for material components.
Yeah, material component forms, whichever is our share, we used to release time to time, but it depends on how the money is being released from Delhi. And this time, see, election is running for around 2 months now. So it's very difficult to coordinate in Delhi also. So let us see the model code of conduct be
Even
over.
much before election, this issue was legal.
That issue was there, but we flagged off all these issues because once the money, major portion of money is coming from Delhi. So unless that is released, we cannot do
Or is
anything.
it that they wanted to do away with this? There was some thinking.
I don't know. I don't have idea as of now.
So what is roughly like pending materials component funds?
See, I told you very frankly that after a long time I have attended. I did not meet.
After you have written,
Let me see. I'll meet them. Then I will give you the details. Is nothing to hide. Why to hide? But let me give the figure, exact figure, which will match your requirement.